the beautiful design that will be created. But I love it that how you help me out with which way, because I probably will sit here for half an hour. Maybe I'll test both of them out and say, okay, you are right. But I'm so glad you helped me out with that. See, that's fun about that. We got to do live together and we get to shows and everybody participates and make it more fun. So you can do it a matte look. If you're doing a matte, you finish with a matte top. But I am going to put the no wipe top coat with shiny top coat on, because in that way it's make the gold is more shiny. And I'm gonna using a no wipe top. The purpose of for me did it in the matte before is to keep and do it easier with another one. Easier for me to help the fusioning grip better. All right, so now I'm just doing a part of middle because I'm not planning to put more anything on, because as is more is gonna cover my fusioning. So I am going to do just a middle condensed glue gel. I'm gonna show with you if any of you just tune in or first time tuning in. So I'm gonna cover completely the nail, so then that way when we finish, you don't have to worry about top coat it again. I'm gonna place right in the middle, and then how doesn't matter, however you want, you can do it right in the middle, or you can do it like it's angled a little bit. I think I like it a lot. So hold on, maybe 2 piece, only 2 piece. Just 2 pieces of it. That's it. No more. Great. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hi, Hilda. Hey, sweetie, how are you? Lizzie, I don't like it. Yeah, so then if you don't like the looks like a bling on, you can just don't put the crystal on. So make sure you keep it flat. So when you have a client doing it, you make sure they'll rock the nails back and forth to make sure that all the UV will clear on the edges of the nails. Hey, Liz Nails. Hello, Yeses. Lizzie said, no, I'm just playing. I love that. But it's like, we get an idea that high painted by purple. So we get an idea of everyone's got experience of how is that? You place your crystal, you know, you can put it on or you can just take it off, or you can just do a little bit. You don't have to do a lot. So, hey, Lily, thank you so much for tuning in, Lily. Hashtag pro tips. That is what I like. The you wearing, is this the one I'm wearing? This one? It's been freaking like 2 weeks. I think, I don't know, I didn't count the dates, but longer. But I'm in the mood of doing unicorn nails on my nails. This baby, I love the heart so much, but the Valentine over, so now the clients want to see new things. So I am gonna, oh, looks so gorgeous, everyone. So now, because this one is a bigger stone, so I am going to using the really cool precision glue. We have a lot of customer will ask and how we can keep this one away from catching on the hair or your clothes, or special in the different states that, you know, wearing a scarf and it's gonna catching all stuff. So I am going to do some little exam, and I feel all around my big crystals it's sealed completely good with condensed glue gel. I'm so freaking excited because it's not only hold my big crystal here onto the nails, also it can hold like a big piece of a centerpiece like this, and also with the 3D crystals charm and chains, and it stay on concrete there for a few weeks before the client's coming back. So I'm checking, really be careful and really detail any scratchy spot. I seal it in. So now I am going to pop it in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this now completely done. This is so cute though. Also, let me see, I have that other piece. Do you have a marble piece? No, I need a marble piece. Then we have another cool though, the marble piece, you can do it. Like, since I'm here doing with all of you, I just thinking of one designs as well. Well, like, before we showing that design, I'm gonna pop this one out so you can see this is a brush. So in this side, if you, in case of you need to do the clients of halos along with the keyhole size SS3, 4, 5, or 6, you can use that brush on the other end. So I was just thinking of that is this one. Like if you're using a combing and you're using this piece, that's just so cool. The turquoise, I know, right? As the turquoise sometimes is really cool, and then spring coming, so it's just really, really cool. If you mix these two together, it turned out really cool though. So I'm so excited. Maybe in the next video we're gonna do that. Thank you so much, Painted by Purple. Oh my goodness, so excited, so freaking cute. Great. How do you take that off after 2 weeks? Kathy, when you take it off, either you're gonna using your soaking on using the e-file, and then you're gonna, if you have your e-file